do with this question. You are supposed to select 4 digits from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, and then you're going to arrange them to form a 4-digit number. Okay, to form the 4-digit number, you have to arrange them in a row. Therefore, it is a permutation question. Okay, now let's look at the first one. Number 1, there's no restriction. It means total number of choice that you can select is 7. So we have this NPR, and there are total 7 choice. Okay. Now, but out of these 7, you only allowed to take 4 out of them. So to form the 4-digit number, you only allowed to take 4. So the R is 4. Okay. If you calculate, you can use a calculator to get this value, but you can also manually calculate them. So let's do it manually. 7 times 6 is decreasing order by 1 each time, times 4. Why stop at 4? Now, here's 4, am I? So I have to count how many digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 digits. I mean there's 4 places, 4 positions to fill up the 4-digit number. Okay, so this will give you total 42, then time 20, they give you 840 or 840 numbers that you can form using 4 digits taken from this 7 number. Okay, now let's look at this. Here's something more interesting. The number is less than 4,000. Okay, now less than 4,000 means you can only start the number based on this. You can start with 1. You can start the 4-digit number with 3. Right? If I start with these 2 digits, then the number will be less than 4,000. Okay? The remaining 3 number doesn't really matter. Okay? As long as the first number is 1 or 3. Okay? Now, how would you do this permutation? Let's split the 4-digit number into 2 blocks. The first block consists of either 1 or 3. The second block can be any remaining number. Okay? If you taken 1 from here, then to fill up this, the second, the third, fourth digit will be basically, here will basically, if I taken 1 and put here, for example, so the total number of choice from this 7 number will be only 6. Okay? Out of these 6, you are supposed to take 3 of them and fill up here. 1, 2, 3 to form the 4-digit number. Okay? So this is basically 6 P3 for the second, the third, and the fourth. So this block of arrangement is 6. Total 6. Why 6? Because one number, which is 1, have been taken out to put in the first block. So you are left with 6 number. And out of this 6 number, okay, you're going to select 3 to arrange for the second, the third, and the fourth position in the 4-digit number. So to form this combination here is actually 6B3. Okay, now, so this is 6B3. Now let's look at the first block. The first block, how many choice do you have? How many numbers are you able to fill up here? Basically, you have only 1 and 3. There's only 2 choices. Okay, so the answer is 2 times 6B3, which gives you 2 times 6 times 5 times 4. This 6B3, 1, 2, 3. So let's work out the solution. It's only 240 numbers. Okay. Now, the third one will be quite slightly more complicated. Why? Because first it has to be even. So, and then it has to be 4,000. Okay. Now, let's look at it. First block is 1 or 3. Okay, now, then you have it here. But in this case, because it has to be even, so we have to create a third block. Okay, the third block is even would be, you can put 4. You can put 8. Okay, 4 or 8. Now, if I take 1 out of here and I take 4 put here, what is the number remain here? So the number remain here would be 5. There will be 5. Okay, but for this first digit, the 4th digit, so you're only allowed to take 2 out. Now, so 1 or 3, you got 2 choices. 4 and 8, there are 2 choices. So the total answer is 2 times 5 times 4 and 2. So the answer is actually 80 numbers. Okay, that's it. This is a purely permutation question. We're going to look at more of this question later. Okay, but bear in mind, just a recap, no restriction is 7P4. The number has to be less than 4,000. So if the first digit has to be 1 and 3, there's only 2 choices. After you put one number over, you only have 6 to be chosen to fill out the remaining 3 positions. Now, the third requirement is number not only have to be 4 and 8, the third block here, and then less than 4,000, there is the first block. So you have the middle block here, which whatever number you can fill out the middle block. Okay, now let's look at the middle block first. If you take one number put here and the other number put here, you are left with 5 numbers. And out of this 5 numbers, you're supposed to choose 2 numbers to fill the second and the third position. This is the first and the 4th position. Okay, so it's 5P2. First position, you can either choose 1 and 2. 4th position, you either choose 4 and 8. So you multiply together, you get 18 numbers. That's it.